Hello everyone, I'm doing another progress update of the game Cartridge Collector that I'm currently developing in virtual reality using the Oculus Rift and using Unity 2019.3.2 F1 to be specific on the version there. So I've done a lot of progress since the last video I made, and we can go over some of those things right now. So as you can see, there is a world now, some sense of a world. We've got some streets, we've got the house that we will be having the garage sale at, we've got a neighboring house here, some more elements just aesthetically to spice it up a little bit. When I go ahead and hit play and we actually start the game, we see that trees spawn in here, so we've got 4 trees. What I am trying to achieve is to have some variance every time you go to a garage sale in the game. So what I want to do is have one generic garage sale scene, and I want to vary some things up in the scene. So currently the trees here are varied, and the items here in the driveway are also varied. So if we go ahead and start the game again, we're going to see a different tree pattern, and we're also going to see different items here in the driveway. And don't mind that lamp exploding right there. So, and we can see the scale of the trees also are slightly different. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into VR now. Okay, so here we are in the scene in the game. We're looking around with the given, so the movement controls are provided by Unity and the scripts that I'm currently using. But here is our randomly generated garage sale as it is so far. The items here certain items have the OVR grabbable script, so they are able to be picked up. Okay, so we can see that in the world there are 2 tables currently that have spawned into the game. The idea behind this is I would like to have a random chance of a table spawning to add variance again to the game. And if the table does spawn, then we're going to populate sub-items on top of the table to be spawned. So on this table over here, we can see that a pool ball has spawned onto the table. There is some logic here now to figure out how to do this, and to quickly explain, oh, you can see another pool ball here has fallen down. So the logic here is we have found where the center of the table is, and then we have a spawn area basically in the code that says, okay, give me the width and the depth of the table, and then rein that in about to 90%, so there's a bounding box created of the random positions that items on the table can be spawned. So eventually what I want to do is we're going to have a bunch of random typical garage sale items on the table, maybe dishes and software and other random things. But there's also going to be a chance that a video game may spawn on the table, or a console that maybe we want to purchase. Maybe it's a Sega Genesis-like console or Nintendo or something similar to that. So now that we have the foundation for items to be spawned on the table, and the logic of where the tables can spawn and can't spawn, we have made progress towards that. Okay, so we've talked about the tables and the logic there. Here in the middle of the driveway is where there is a couple spawn locations where random objects can spawn. We see there's a couple black stools, a couple lamps here that have, I guess, fallen over now. Also in the middle here is the potential for a cardboard box game object to spawn. And if the cardboard box game object spawns, there will be items inside of the box that you can dig through and look for, game-related items. So let's go ahead and generate another random world or garage sale and see if we can get a cardboard box to dig through. Okay, so we've spawned another garage sale. We have restarted the game, so we have different items spawning this time, as we can see here. This is the cardboard box that can spawn currently in the driveway, and inside there are 3 sub-items that have spawned inside the box. So the idea here is the player can then pick up the box or interact with the items in the box and dig through to find maybe the hidden game cartridge or console or something that they've been looking for. Everything again eventually will be based on random chance of whether it's in there or not, based on probability. And so I will now pick up the box. Okay, so it's a little bit glitchy and the items have flown into the sky because of the collision, which I need to work on. But the idea would be that the items would be in here like they were. You pick it up, you could dig through it, look for different various objects that maybe you'd like to buy, and that's currently where that's at. Okay, so that's everything that I wanted to show in this progress update. We've got a lot of work to do, so we're going to get right back to it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and comment. Let me know what you think about the game. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear it. Also, make sure to subscribe for some more content coming soon, and we will see you guys next time.